everyone. My name is Sarthak and I'm the head of Applied AI at ELARISLABS. So let me show you around the workspace and give you a quick glimpse of how ELARISLABS works. So this is the default screen when you open ELARISLABS and you first log in, you land here on your workspace. So think of this as your home base. Everything lives inside the workspace here, which I added as in hello on my workspace. So under workspace, you can onboard multiple brands. Like I have onboarded a lot of brands out here. And the third thing you can see on the home screen is the credit systems here. Credit is the main currency for the RS lab. So every generation you run maps through credits. So an image, a video, or resize anything, each one has a cost. So you always know exactly what you are spending as you create. So now I'll move to the very basic and first thing, my brands. And the before you generate any campaign, any image, or any ad in Laris Labs, you onboard your brand. So let me show you how that works. So you'll simply click on add new brand here. And you will be redirected to this page where you can just add your website link out here, and our agents will scrape all the details from your website, like your all the things that this is where brands come to life. The colors, fonts, its logos, its guideline all live here. So once it's set up, every creative you make pulls from this automatically and stays everything on brand from the very first click. And also the best feature about that is you can also add your ad platform account so that you can directly push your creatives from here itself. So without wasting much time, I'll directly switch to the Creative Studio. So this is the playground for Laris Labs, an infinite canvas where you can build creative node by connecting node by node, connect them, and watch a whole campaign come together in one place. So let's start with a simple static image ad. So I'll drop an image node. I'll just have to double click on this canvas and I'll just start with the image generation, text to image. I'll just choose that. So I have seen that this is my brand. The Nike is selected here. And if I'll put the brand lock here, so everything which will generate would be on brand itself. I'll choose any model from my preference, or I'll just keep it auto itself. I'll use the prompt, something like, let's say, I'll simply say like, I'll choose like create an ad for shoes featuring tennis star from mid 90s. Use minimal text and use a tagline and logo, something just like that. Yeah. And just remember, I haven't mentioned any brand here, anything specific about the brand. So in couple of seconds, you can see the ad is in front of me. You can see the ad is here with the the logo and everything, and it is also giving me the predictive score of that, like the performance. Like I think the CTA is not really good here, so it is missing. So you can just fix the flaws right here itself on the same disconnecting node. So it instructed the AI to make the CTA change here, make the CTA to shop now. So yeah, you can see, and the logo placement is on the other side now. So this is like how the predictive scoring and smart intelligence works here. So after that, like I think I have a decent like static ad in terms of like the for the brand that we have onboarded. Now I had my shoe ad and I want to bring it to life. To animate it, I'll just hover on the edge of the image node, click on the drag, and I'll choose from this animate button. Right. So I'll just simply, use any my favorite model out here. I'll choose the aspect ratio. I'll add like make this as a live scene. I can choose the number of the length of the video. Well, I'll keep it as 6 seconds and then I'll hit generate. So now I have the master creative, but one size is never enough. Let's say I want the same ad in different sizes, like stories, speed, banners, out of home. So I connected here, and to the brand pack node from ELARISLABS, and the ELARISLABS will help to resize it across formats that I need, like keeping the layout clean, selective in one frame. So let's say I'll choose these display sizes, or maybe I can choose one custom size here, 250 to 250. Yeah, this is added, and then I'll generate it all. So this video is getting generated, this brand pack is getting generated. So now what if I want to run this ad in another market? This is like shop now, just do it. It is written. So what if I want to, run this in another market? So I can localize it right from here itself. So I can pick up the languages, just click on this, click on the localize your ad node. This is separate, a dedicated node for that. And when you open the localizer here, yeah, so you can simply choose between, Chinese, Arabic, or any language from your, like I'll choose Hindi or German as just for the reference. And I'll add for the translate option here. First, it will translate all the text to the, the similar context for the ad. And then it will first cross-verify from your side, like if this is making sense. So meanwhile, you can see like the ad is got converted into different aspect ratios as per the base image. And now we have this video itself from the very basic one, from this one. And yeah, now we have this localized thing in Chinese, in Hindi, in everything. So you can just, even omit that out, or even you can edit it also. Once you'll approve and generate, so it will generate all this. This is similar ad into different languages. And here's the part we are really proud of. Like ELARISLABS is built for teams. Your whole team can jump into the same canvas. You can chat right here. You can just share this canvas with any of your team member. You can just generate one collaboration invite. If you invite your teammate, so then after you can, you will be able to chat with your team here itself. Like you can tag your team or any member of your team, and like when you put at the rate, so you'll find out the ID of the team member that got onboarded here, and here you can, just tag anything. Like let's say I just tag the brand pack, and I'll say like, this is not coming great. Please fix or try 4 case. Any comments I can add, and once it will add, your whole team can see who has the access for this studio. They can see all things out here. So you can, even chat with your team. So this is the very basic use case of like how we're gonna start with the ELARISLABS with these sort of features, and with detailed prompts and with guided directions. You can absolutely do anything you can imagine. So that's ELARISLABS AI, from a blank canvas to a full localized, ready to publish campaign. Go build something and make sure to share it with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.